Welcome to Nerd Stalker. I'm Adolfo Ferrante, your host at the Microsoft Mix Conference at the Venetian in Las Vegas. Incredible demos and keynotes and all kinds of good food behind us. Obviously, you know, we're sort of winding up lunch here. Why don't you tell me who you guys are anyways?
Hi, I'm Bob Thomson from Storm Ideas. I'm the founder there. I started up the company in March last year, and we've spent the last few months from March through to now developing our first product, which is called Coolab. And that's a Silverlight 2 rich internet application for collaboration and review over a wide range of different resources. Just to show how quickly you can use Colaab, you can see here we've got a 160 megabyte image of San Francisco. If I just click to jump directly to that comment, the system loads in the 160 megabyte image and zooms straight to the point on the image that we've got the comment on. And we can see the comment here. We can see the location it's added to. We can see there's an annotation. We can also open up the comment and see that we've got some responses to the comment, and we can type our own responses here. And what's important to realize here is that was a 160 megabyte image. We're using the Silverlight 2 deep zoom functionality, which Coolab does for you on the server side. You can see that we're immediately able to access the image, zoom out, and zoom in on other areas of the image without having to download that 160 megabytes.
I hear a lot about online collaboration tools. What differentiates you guys from, the others?
Well, I think that's something that we're very conscious of, is that collaboration is a huge field and can mean a lot of different things. It can mean everything from Google Docs and Zoho, these sort of applications, through to a SharePoint installation. Right. So we're very keen to point out that what we do is we allow you to get a lot of different resource types, and by that I mean Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, videos, images, loads of different image types, audio files, so a big range. We're not specialized on one content type. You get them up there into Coolab, and then Coolab allows you to comment and annotate on those resources in near to real time. Just the same way as we did with images, you can see within Coolab, you can actually collaborate on videos. We've got a video here. You see down at the bottom here, we've got a timeline, and on the timeline, we can see there's an annotation and there's a comment. So just in the same way as we did before, you can see, start playing the video. Again, we've still got our zoom. Zoom in, zoom out. When the video comes along here, and it hits the point in the timeline, pauses the video, brings in the comment, and we can see there's an annotation and a comment attached to that location on the video. If we perhaps skip on a little bit, we click on this comment, and it jumps directly to the comment. I click here. You see, jumps directly to the comment and brings it in. If we go to the end, further on the timeline, add a new comment, save the comment as we did before, attach it to a location on the resource. We can see it's now appeared in the timeline. As we said previously, this will appear in real time for anyone else who's viewing this resource at the same time. You can see if we now go back, hit play, it's going to play through, and when it hits the comment, it pauses and brings it in. So you can collaborate over video, images. Many project management tools will say, we offer resource management or a resource library. You go and upload your Word document into that, and all you're then presented with is a link to download the Word document again. To view the Word document, you need to have Word installed on the machine. With Coolab, you upload your Word document, and we do post-processing on it on the server side, so that it can actually be displayed in WYSIWYG fashion with no loss of fidelity inside Coolab itself. So you don't need Word to look at it, and the person that you then want to share that document with needs on their machine is a browser that supports Silverlight. It's a PDF document that we uploaded before. We can see we've now got paging, downloads in, just center it, and again we can go through page by page, and we can see we've actually got some previous annotations and a comment on this page, and we can set the status and chat, respond to that comment here as well. We're working on some quite exciting new features. What's interesting is that we have the workspaces and the resources, we have the communications and the actions and the collaboration tools, but we can bring anything that Silverlight can do, we can bring into this middle section. One of the experimental ideas we're working on is what we're calling a deep zoom visual site search. So we've actually got a couple of examples here. If I go in here and I pull up the Visit Mix site, what we've done here is taken the URL of the Mix site. We've gone through, crawled the Mix site, taken screen grabs of all the different pages, put them together in a deep zoom collection, which we can now zoom in and zoom out. As I say, this is a 43 megabyte collection of images, but we're able to access it straight away. We can go into slideshow mode, where it goes slideshow from each page to each page, which is lovely, really nice little transition effect there as it goes from side to side. And we can also search. If I go down the bottom here and do a search, you can see there filtered down the available pages, and so we've only got one page left, and we can see there Scott Guthrie. If we try something else, Descry, we can see what pages the Descry's on, and again we can zoom in and zoom out. What's great is if you have a really long page like this, you can see that's a long page in there, and if we just start to zoom in and zoom in and zoom in, you can see we're getting more and more detail, access to it, and so we're there, and we've got great resolution down at that level. The roadmap at the moment is to gain as many users as we can, and we're really committed to iterating off of feedback. We have ideas about what we'd like to do, and we do have a list of 250 features that we know we would like to implement, but we want to really drive off of usage and what our users want to see in it, because we use it every day ourselves. I also believe that you should eat your own dog food, etc. So we use it every day, and we tweak based on that, but we get tremendous feedback through and iterate off of that. We do have a couple of, as I showed you in the demo, where we're playing around with this sort of deep zoom of a whole site and all the web pages of a site inside Coolab. Another thing which I do have a secret demo of, is where we've integrated the deep zoom version of Virtual Earth into Collab. So you go into a resource, you get Virtual Earth, and are then able to collaborate on Virtual Earth within Collab. So your annotations and your comments become push pins and guides on the map.
Very cool.
But that's very early stages. That's a sneak peek. Don't go telling anyone about that. What we did for Nerd Stalker is we put the URL for Nerd Stalker in, and we crawled a couple of pages on that just to give an idea of what that would look like. So go in here, Nerd Stalker, and you can see here we've got some of the pages from the Nerd Stalker site. Again, you can zoom in, you can start adding comments, you can start annotating, start chatting about that there with anyone else who's online at the same time.
Thanks for your time. Thanks for being on Nerd Stalker, man.
Thanks for your time.
Looking forward to seeing what happens with Coolup.
Great. And we have a couple of drinks tonight?
Oh yeah, let's do it, man. That's right, we got a party at Tao. Don't tell anyone. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Right now, I just want to say, facts is the enemy, people.
Yes,
We must kill facts.
Eliminate the facts.